Audio Jungle. In this video, we shall learn physical features of North America. Well, North America is the third largest continent in the world. What is the continent, children? The large landmass forming part of the Earth's surface are called continent. North America are often referred to as a new world because they were discovered in the late 15th century. And it was discovered by Christopher Columbus in 1492 while he was trying to find a new sea route to India. Later in 1507, Amerigo Vespucci, Italian explorer, sailed to the New World. The credit of discovering North America is given to Christopher Columbus, but the historians believe that probably the Vikings were the first to set their feet on the continent. Location and extent. North America is located in the western and northern hemisphere. It extends between 7 degree north and the 83 degree north latitude. Longitudinally, North America extends between 53 degree west and 180 degree west longitudinal. It is the 8 times size of India. North America is surrounded by ocean, except in the south where it is joined with the America by the Isthmus of Panama. It is bounded by Pacific Ocean in the west and the Atlantic Ocean in the east, the Arctic Ocean in the north, and the Caribbean Sea in the south. Coastline. North America has smooth coastline where wide opening along the coast. It has many gulf and bays. Example: Gulf of Mexico, the Hudson Bay, the Gulf of St. Lawrence, and the Gulf of California. Political and physical division of North America. Political division: Canada, USA, Mexico, Central America, and West Indies. Physical division: Western Cordilleras, Canadian Shield, Central Lowlands, Appalachian Mountain, Eastern Highlands. Boundaries. North America is surrounded by ocean except in south where it is joined with the South America by the Isthmus of Panama. North America is bounded by Pacific Ocean in the west and the Atlantic Ocean in the east and the Arctic Ocean in the north and Caribbean Sea in the south. Coastline. North America has a smooth coastline with many wide openings along its coast. It has many gulfs and bays: Gulf of Mexico and Hudson Bay, the Gulf of St. Lawrence, and the Gulf of California. Political division of North America. North America main countries are Canada, United States of America, and Mexico. Together, these three countries make up about 95% of the area of North America. The countries south of Mexico are together referred to the Central Asia. There are many islands in Arctic Oceans lying to the north of the continent. Of these, Greenland is the largest island. It is also the biggest island of the world. Some of other islands are Baffin Island, Victoria Island, and the Ellesmere Island, which belongs to Canada. The island of Newfoundland lies off the east coast of Canada. The island of the West Indies from a chain of small islands in the Caribbean Sea. They include Cuba, Jamaica, Haiti, Dominican Republic, and Puerto Rico. All these islands belongs to North America. Drainage system of the North America. The most important drainage system of North America are Mississippi River, It is the major drainage system of North America. The main river of the Mississippi flows southwards through the central lowlands and drains into Gulf of Mexico. River Missouri and River Ohio are its major tributaries. River Colorado, it rises in the Rocky Mountain and flow into the Pacific Ocean, into the Gulf of California. Third, the St. Lawrence River. It is originated at the western end of Lake Superior and drains into Gulf of St. Lawrence. Here Nigeria Falls are the world famous. The Great Lakes of North America are freshwater lakes, including Lake Superior Lake, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Erie, and Lake Ontario. These lakes provide expensive transportation. Large ships from Atlantic Ocean can reach the interior as these lakes are connected to the Atlantic Ocean by the St. Lawrence waterway. Now next, physical features of North America. North America can be divided into four main physical features. First, Western Cordilleras. The Western Cordilleras are young fold mountain ranges which spread from Alaska to Mexico. They consist of the Rocky Mountain and Sierra Nevada range, and Coastal Range and the Alaska Range. The plateaus surrounded by these mountain ranges are the Columbia Plateau, the Colorado Plateau, and the Mexican Plateau. The Great Basin also lies in the western Colorado. The Grand Canyon of Colorado is the largest canyon in the world. Second, the Great Plains. The Great Plains are the vast high plateaus and plains of semi-arid grassland. In United States of Great Plains are drained by the Missouri River and its tributaries, the Red River, the Rio Grande, and the Arkansas River, which flow easternward from the Rockies. Now third, Eastern Plateaus Highlands. The Eastern Plateaus extend from the Hudson Bay in the north to the Gulf of Mexico in the south and includes the Appalachian Mountain. It is also called the Great Mississippi Plains because the Mississippi River and its tributaries flow in the middle of the highlands toward the lowlands. The Appalachian Mountain are old fold mountain with an average height of about 1500 meters. To the east of these mountains lies the Piedmont Plateau and the Atlantic coast, the central lowland prairies. The central lowlands are vast plains which are very fertile and ideal and cultivation as they are supported by large rivers for irrigation. The central lowlands are suitable for wheat farming, cattle rearing, agro-based industries, and networking of the international market. Mountain ranges. In North America, there are wide varieties of mountains, which include ice-covered giant almost as high as the Himalayas, huge ranges of craggy, rocky pinnacles, forest-covered hills, and exotic volcanoes on small tropical islands. Some of the prominent mountain ranges of North America: Rocky Mountain, Appalachian Mountain, Sierra, the Adirondack Mountain, and the Brooks Range. Rocky Mountains are the part of the longest mountain range in the world. They lie along the western part of the North America, from northwestern Canada to New Mexico. The highest peak in the Rocky Mountain in Mount Elbert is Colorado at about 4,399 meters above sea level. The rock structure of these Rockies consists of igneous as well as sedimentary rocks. Along its margins and volcanic rock is localized areas Sheep, goats, mountain lions, and grizzly bears are some of the animals which can be found in this region. Next important mountain is Appalachian Mountain. The oldest mountain chain in North America is the Appalachian Mountain. They extend from Newfoundland to Alabama. The Appalachian Mountains are made up of mountain ridges and valleys. The Great Smoky Mountains are submerged of the Appalachian Mountains. Now children, let's recall. 1. North America is the world's third largest continent. Second, North America is located in the northern and the western hemisphere between the Pacific and the Atlantic Ocean. Third, North America and South America are joined by the Isthmus of Panama. Fourth, North America is a diverse place with many languages, cultures, and people. Fifth, the Rocky Mountain runs along the western part of North America. Sixth, North America is bordered by 3 oceans, the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Seventh, the Colorado rivers from numerous canyons along much of its length, most notably the Grand Canyon in Arizona. 8. All deserts are located in the western part of the countries.